Alright, so today we're going to be unboxing a 2016 SSR 125, and let's just get into it. So I got mine in orange. This is basically just how it comes in the box if you get it shipped. I will link the website I got it from. I'm pretty sure they do at least all US shipping. I think it should probably be international because it's a Chinese manufacturer. So I'm pretty sure they do international. I'll link that website below in the description. So it also comes with all the parts of just basically your bar risers and then some extra bolts. Not extra, or extra nuts. I think it's when you put the shock on and then the gas cap. But let's take the cage apart. So to get it out of the frame, you gotta unbolt I think these 4 bolts. Actually, it looks like 8 bolts along the frame to get the top off, maybe even the bottom. There it goes. Once you get the frame off, it is still connected to the frame of the box. You just have to take this bolt out to separate it completely, and then that's when you put the front tire on. So to get this off, you need a 17 and a 14 millimeter wrench. Oh. Okay. Don't drop this on me. So we're gonna put the handlebars on. So you take your 2 handlebar risers, pull these out. Then take the 4 nuts they give you, or they actually give you 5, but take the 4 of the smaller ones. So you need a 6 millimeter Allen head and a 12 millimeter socket. Fasten these on. So I got the front tire on. The smaller bushing goes on the clutch side. Actually, that's the brake side. Sorry, the brake side. And then the larger goes on the clutch side. Where'd that little plastic piece go? This sits in between the brake pads, and I just banged it out with a flathead screwdriver. That's just to get the disc brake in place. But it slides in pretty easy. It might take more than one person unless you are really good at this. I don't know. But we're gonna move to the back to set it up. Looks kind of funny like this. It looks so funny. So next, I'm gonna put the rear shock on. It's actually just up there. You just gotta take out this beam, or this metal beam they put in there. So to do this rear shock, that is gonna take a 13 and a 16 millimeter socket. That's barely on there. That's nice. Just falls out. Whew. And then it just sits in there pretty easy. And then just re-screw in the same bolts as you did before. Alright, that should do it for the pit bike assembly. Once you take off all the graphic, I don't even know, just the stuff that covers the graphics. The only thing that sucks with mine is the gas tank is broke. It came like this, so I'm gonna have to. I just contacted them on what I should do. and came out of the box like this, but it was cracked. So I'm gonna need a whole new tank before I can ride it, because obviously this is supposed to be connected. I think it just, when it shipped, I don't know, probably something happened, I don't know, but it's broken. What can you do? But they say to change the oil before you even ride it. So I think I don't know what kind of oil it takes. I still have to look it up. But change the oil before you ride it. And then I would probably change it again after the break-in period. Or maybe not even, maybe hour of ride time after a second time. But yeah, that should do it. Leave a like if it was helpful, and I will see you guys later.